I'm your heart. I pump about 2,000 gallons of blood through your body every day. But when you eat junk food, you make me weaker, and I slow down.
Hi, I'm your liver. I detox your body. But when you drink too much alcohol, I get inflamed.
Hi, I'm your stomach. I break down everything you eat and absorb nutrients for your energy. But you keep rushing meals, drinking soda, and eating late at night. Now I'm bloated and acidic.
Hi, we are your kidneys. We filter your blood 50 times a day, but you eat salty snacks, processed meats, and drink less water. We get damaged slowly.
Hi, we are your lungs. We breathe in oxygen for your survival, but when you smoke, we get weak and lose our power.
Hi, I'm your brain. I keep you focused and creative, but with less sleep, too much caffeine, and constant screen time, I get foggy. I forget. I stress.
You only get one body, and every part of it is working hard for you. Take care of us before we can't take care of you.